Diversity, equity and inclusion are fundamental principles upon which Baringa stands. It is crucial to create a work environment that promotes these principles. This will play a significant role in shaping our culture and the way in which we collaborate with each other and make decisions.
We are continuously building on these principles by examining the way our teams work together and with our clients. One of the ways we expand on these stems from the Southern African philosophy known as Ubuntu. The term Ubuntu comes from the Nguni languages and is often translated as "I am because we are," or humanity towards others. This encompasses the principles we want to have at the forefront of all our work. At its core, Ubuntu emphasizes the interconnectedness of individuals and communities and the importance of treating others with respect and empathy.
Nelson Mandela is most famously associated with living with the philosophy of Ubuntu through acts of unity, community, and humanity, in efforts to build a united post-apartheid South Africa. Mandela also emphasised the importance of inclusivity in achieving shared goals. He recognised that no one person could achieve change alone, and he sought to be a force for change with supporters of diverse backgrounds and perspectives.
At Baringa, we recognise that it is this very philosophy of inclusivity that we want to have as the overarching message that we deliver to our colleagues and our clients. With this in mind, we need to acknowledge the systems and behaviours that may make others feel like outsiders. By each of us being mindful of the role we may play in creating barriers and taking actions to address them, we can progress towards a more cooperative and empathetic environment. This will ultimately create teams that are led by a collective vision, with every individual acting with honesty, empathy, solidarity and respect for themselves and for others.
The Ubuntu offering is an interactive and inclusive ways of working workshop, which creates a greater awareness of any areas that cause barriers to team inclusivity. It aims to promote a sense of belonging across our internal and client teams. As we bring awareness to any insider and outsider traits, we encourage teams to develop tangible and behavioural actions to address these obstacles and create a joint path going forward.